Hey man, it's officially time, bro. Like the whole year, been copping mad sneakers, and some of them, of course, I'm not keeping. Some of them, of course, are for video purposes only. And it comes to a time where these sneakers gotta go. They gotta find a new home. And I'm pretty sure somebody watching today's video will get something out of it, get a crazy, huge stealing deal. So we're gonna chop it up in today's video. Sit back, relax, and hey, enjoy. And disclaimer, man, disclaimer. These shoes will not last very long, so hit me up ASAP on Instagram, which is linked down below. Yo, man, what's going on, everybody on YouTube, man? Truly appreciate you guys for tapping in. Again, like I said, bro, we are letting some sneakers go. Some pairs ain't my size. Some of them I got triples and doubles of. And just at that point, you know what I'm saying, in my life where I don't need 3, 4 pairs. You know, sometimes I do need to double up. Sometimes I feel like I should triple up because the resale value might go up. It's just different factors into, you know what I'm saying, copping multiple of the same sneakers. You guys know what I'm talking about, man. If you guys are new here to the channel, right now we need everybody to do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please, man, please do your boy a favor and leave a huge like on today's video. It might go a long way. Shows YouTube you guys are enjoying the content, man. Without further ado, it's time to break out a couple of these sneakers I'm letting go. And again, bro, hit me up ASAP. I'm gonna tell you guys the price, all that good stuff in today's video. So let's go ahead and get it. All right, man, so here goes the first sneaker. You guys already know what's inside. This is a size 9.5. Now, this is the pair that I had doubled up on because the price was very, very good. Couldn't pass up on it. But now I'm like, yo, why do I need 2 pairs of these things? You guys already know what it is. 100% dead stock pair of Air Jordan 1 Royal Reimagined. You guys see it, bro. Come with the laces, DS, all that good stuff. You guys hit me up ASAP if you do want these. Give me 110 ship, bro. 110 ship. That's a steal, bro. It's a steal. And it might be a little gamble because I feel like these in the near future might rise up. Just look at some past Air Jordan 1 colorways, Storm Blues. Just, you know, I can name a couple more, but I do feel like this one will go up. Definitely gonna get your bang out of your buck. We're only paying $110, man. All right, guys, next, this is another double up. You guys see the box, you should know exactly what this is. Air Jordan 4 Retro White Oxidized Green, and I got these in a size 9.5. Don't even know the value of the sneaker, but again, I did do a review on feet, kind of bright right now, but go ahead and send your boy 190 shit, and you will get these things to your front door, man. Super clean. Only the on feet on these, did a review. Super clean colorway, the leather, the material, presentation, all that good stuff is buttery in my opinion, so hit me up, man, on Instagram, link down below. All right, guys, and next, this is the shoe I was talking about. Not even my size, strictly for the video purposes only. This is the Air Jordan 3 Summer White Fire Red, size 10.5, man. 10 and a half, and it's about to go for a crazy steal. Let me go ahead and show you guys. Y'all know I don't wear 10 and a half, so you should know these is 100% DS. Still a clean colorway, bro. Clean colorway, size 10.5. Just send your boy the vintage $150, bro. $150, and you will get these things. Size 10.5. You can't beat it. Still a nice colorway. Kind of give you Reimagined 3 vibes, white cement vibes, but this is the cement gray joints. All right, guys, next we have another pair of Air Jordan 1s. This is a size 11 in women, and I think these are called the Air Jordan 1 Take Flights, if I'm not mistaken. 100% DS. Again, video purposes only. I was thinking about keeping them, but I'm like, yo, I had the Obsidians, and this is very, very similar to it. I feel like this is gonna have the same Obsidian effect. You know, they was going for like retail on a drop date, and a couple weeks later, it was going for some bread, you know what I'm saying? But this is another case for a women's exclusive where they didn't do extended sizes and stuff like that. But these are 100% DS. Send your boy $150, and you will have these Air Jordan 1 Take Flights straight to your doorstep, man. Hey, y'all see them, bro. Y'all know what these things is hitting for right here. The Air Jordan 1, really, the Air Jordan 4 White Thunders. You guys know, man, 100% DS right here. You guys can see, bro. Y'all see them, bro. One of the ones, in my opinion. Definitely one that I might, you know, regret letting go. I say I do not see myself wearing these at all. Not on, you know, wasn't super high on my radar, but was able to cop. Thought they were clean, but now I'm like, yo, somebody else probably enjoy them way more than me that really wants these. But you guys go ahead and send your boy $230 ship, and you will have these things to your doorstep, bro. Not hitting y'all over the head. Then they going for a little bit more than that. So I'm going under whatever it's going for. $230 ship. hit your boy up, man. I feel like these gonna go first, man. I told y'all, we is not done yet. And this is a pair that just released this year. Air Jordan 4 Retro, Off-White, and Military Blue. Got way too many pairs of these, bro. I'm talking about, I see 2 pairs right there. Crazy. 100% DS pair right here. Size 9.5. Yes, 9.5. You guys can see them. Just go ahead and send your boy 210 ship, and you will have a clean pair of Air Jordan 4 Military Blues. You guys already know upside's crazy on these. These ain't come out for a while to come, so go ahead and get you a pair, man. Don't wait too late, bro. Do not wait too late before they are gone. All right, guys, so next we have the Air Jordan 4 Retro SE GS Smoke Gray. This is the Paris Air Jordan 4s, but this is a pair that I don't even know how I got these. I ain't gonna lie. I don't know who I got them from. I don't know when I got them, honestly, but I think it's the first pair I was reviewing. So I'm pretty sure I got it from 1 or 2 people. But you guys already know how we rocking, man. Air Jordan 4 cement gray Paris Olympic joints, whatever you do want to call them. Size 7 GS. So any of my GS, you know what I'm saying, supporters out there, hit me up. Just give me a retail for these, and you will have these at your door. And I think they're going for a little bit more than retail. So hit me up, man. ASAP Rocky, these gonna fly, bro. And then last but not least, yes, these right here. I might regret letting this one go. This is my triple up right here. This is my triple up. You guys can see Air Jordan 4 Retro, black, fire red, and cement gray. Size 9.5, bro. 100% DS. Let me go ahead and pull them out. Let me pull them out. This might be one I regret a little later. But you guys hit me up ASAP. Just send me 250, bro. 250. You can have these. They're going for damn near $300. So, you know, I'm gonna go 50 under that. So go ahead and give your boy 250 for these, and you have your dough. This is a steal, bro. Super steal. 100% DS. Have too many pairs of these. And again, a lot of people been saying it's sneaker of the year. So hey, if you ain't got a pair, you wanna double up, hey, you let me know, and you have these, hit me up on IG, bro. 250 for these guys. So I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tapping in. Again, bro, gotta let some of these pairs go. We're getting to the end of the year, and it's just to a point where I have too many sneakers. I ain't even gonna show y'all what I got over there, but it's about 40 pairs of shoes over there that might be hitting the block as well. They might be going to a new household very soon. I just have too many sneakers, bro, and I'm trying to downsize. And I said that at the beginning of the year, but I still been buying and just kind of hoarding the sneakers. Some pairs I can't even fit. Some pairs I just got for videos, and it's just time to let them go. So hit me up on IG, whatever you do, whatever you're interested in. I will be sure to hit y'all back, man. Please don't waste my time, bro. That's the biggest thing with, you know, selling sneakers. A lot of people waste your time saying, hey, I'll pay you the next week and all that, bro. Just bring your cash, be ready, and I'm gonna ship them out, man. I appreciate all the support. I'm here for you guys. Give me all these steals and deals. Hopefully y'all thank me later. Another huge sneaker sale is gonna be coming very soon near you. So sit back, stay tuned by hitting notification bell ASAP Rocky, and make sure you leave a huge like on today's video, man. That'd be greatly appreciated. With all this being said, man, your boy The Vintage. Gonna catch you guys in next video, man. Peace.